Understanding Cycling Jersey, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the term cycling jersey. This is a common phrase in the world of sports and fitness, and understanding it will enhance your English vocabulary, especially if you're interested in outdoor activities or sports gear. A cycling jersey is a specialized shirt designed for cyclists. What makes it unique are its features like moisture-wicking fabric, a snug fit, and pockets that are conveniently located at the back. These jerseys are designed to improve comfort and performance while cycling. They come in various designs, often reflecting team colors or sponsor logos. Cycling jerseys are not just about style. They play a crucial role in a cyclist's performance. The fabric used helps in regulating body temperature and managing sweat, which is vital during long rides. The fit of the jersey reduces air resistance, which can make a significant difference in speed and energy efficiency. While primarily functional, cycling jerseys have also become a fashion statement in the cycling community. They often represent a cyclist's favorite team, brand, or even personal style. Moreover, they are a part of the broader cultural phenomenon of sports apparel becoming everyday fashion. When selecting a cycling jersey, consider factors like material, fit, and the type of cycling you'll be doing. There are variations for different climates and cycling styles, from casual riding to professional racing. It's not just about the look, it's about comfort and functionality. I hope this video has been informative and helps you understand what a cycling jersey is and why it's important in the world of cycling. Whether you're a language learner, a cycling enthusiast, or both, knowing these details can enhance your understanding of English in a practical context. Happy learning and happy cycling!